Creating a Facebook pixel is essential for tracking user interactions on your website and optimizing your Facebook ad campaigns for better results. Here's how to create a Facebook pixel. Access Events Manager. Log into Facebook Business Manager and navigate to the Events Manager section. Click on Connect Data Sources. In Events Manager, click on the Connect Data Sources button and select Web. Choose Facebook Pixel. Choose Facebook Pixel as the data source type and click on the Get Started button. Name your pixel. Give your pixel a descriptive name that identifies your website or business. Install Pixel Code. Follow the prompts to install the Facebook Pixel code on your website. You can either manually add the pixel code to your website's header or use a tag manager like Google Tag Manager for easier implementation. Verify pixel installation. After installing the pixel code, Facebook will provide instructions on how to verify that the pixel is working correctly. Use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension or Facebook's testing tools to confirm. Set up events. Configure additional events to track, such as purchases, page views, or sign-ups to gather more detailed data about user interaction on your website.